Have you recently upgraded to Windows 11, or maybe you're holding off because you don't quite like the look of it yet? I'm going to show you how to change one important setting that may make up your mind and help you make the jump. I'm Jason Cipriani, and in this ZDNet how-to video, I'm going to show you how to move the Start button from the middle of the taskbar to the left corner where it belongs. So it's actually a really easy process to move the Start button from the middle of the taskbar, which is new in Windows 11, to where it's always been, as far as I can remember at least, in the bottom left-hand corner of the taskbar. That muscle memory of moving the mouse pointer to the bottom corner and hitting that and getting to your apps or files is just too strong for some of us to kick that habit. So what you'll need to do on your Windows computer is open up the Settings app, which you can do that by clicking on the Start button. And then in your pinned apps, there is a settings icon. You can click that. If you've unpinned the settings icon or can't find it, you could always select all apps and then scroll through until you find settings and open it from there. And lastly, the option is there to hit the Windows key and just type settings and then launch the Settings app. So once you've opened the Settings app, what you'll do is on the left-hand side, you'll click on Personalization and then scroll down until you see Taskbar. And then at the very bottom of this list, under Personalization and then Taskbar, you'll see Taskbar Behaviors. Click on that and you'll see a new list of settings. And the very first one is Taskbar Alignment. It's currently set to center. Click the drop down, switch it to left, and instantly you'll see that the Start button, along with all of your app icons and shortcuts, are now in the bottom left-hand corner, where you can then use your muscle memory and go back to doing things how you've always done it on Windows, with the button back where it belongs. I'm curious though, what do you think about the Start button being in the middle or back to the left? Which team are you on? Let me know in the comments, reach out to me and let me know. Let's see if people are making the switch to the center Start button or left. Personally, I've gone with center for quite a while now, and I'm a fan. I'm a fan. Hey, I'm Jason Cipriani. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to check out more of ZDNet.com's tech tips just like this one, as well as all of the latest tech news.